supposed to feel?
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Did you get your shit downloaded?
No,
Huh?
no. You took off. I was like scared and I started crying. I was like, ah! And some nice old lady came by and held my hand.
It's like, Don's gone. What do I do now? I guess I stop playing with my phone. It'll start working eventually.
You're right.
That's my strategy.
Oh.
Ah, fuck, Don's gone again.
That was fan-fucking-tastic navigation, Google. Thank you. It's gonna be dinner. Beans. Yep. Got that many beans? I was talking this video over here.
Oh.
Delicious. Pulled pork. Yes, sir. Franks and beans. Oh, they got the Franks and the beans. We wouldn't be winning any competitions for cleanliness.
Cleanliness? We don't need no cleanliness.
Cleanliness? You go stinky cleanliness. Sausage.
Sausage.
Did you hear me? Sausage.
Sausage.
Sausage. They don't mind the clicking. It's just the Moto giant.
Oh, I had my dick on frame. That's awesome.
We can cut that.
I realized you were filming.
Thanks, Houston.
Beans. Franks and beans. Franks and beans. Yeah. I'm not really good at being on the ladder.
Own it, around it, near it.
You probably do it more when you're home and you're nobody else's vacation. I don't know, man. I don't know.
Yeah, I do better alone. I struggle around people.
Well, yeah, I think that's what it is. I get excited around people.
Yeah, I mean,
get excited
for
when
me
I
it's a
ride,
social lubricant. I have to have it, and it fucking sucks. This is gonna be delicious, even if it doesn't look the greatest.
Looks like it's cooking pretty good.
Yeah. Well, that's the thing. These things cook so hot. It's like gotta keep it moving. Luckily, it's all pre-cooked. I just gotta Put a little heat and love on it. Then put it on a bun.
Throw in there?
Nah, I think this is gonna be enough. Guess I'm already gonna do a number on my my gut beans.
You got,
Yeah.
barbecue.
Oh yeah, that'd be good though. All right, let's check out the final product. Oh yeah,
Oh, what are you gonna do with the beans?
there are beans that are in here with the meat.
Okay. I've never seen it before. Yeah, dude, you could probably eat on that for a week, couldn't you?
Man, if I could keep it refrigerated, I could. Do not try this at home. A little black pepper. A lot of black pepper, excuse me. Pour it out. Probably a lot of salt. Nope, nope. We got sea salt, so it's behaving, unlike that unruly table salt. It comes out doing what it wants. All right, that's the test. Nope, that's food.
Your shit, bro. No soap necessary. Something, something, GR Dilla.